The cobblestones shimmer, a mirror for the rain. Our shoes tap a rhythm on Saint Germain Lane. An umbrella above us, a canopy so small, but it's enough to catch the autumn's gentle call. Your laughter's a melody, soft as the breeze, winding through alleys, past willow trees. The rain keeps its cadence like a jazz refrain in the heart of the city. We're lost in its vein. Oh, under Saint Germain skies, through the drizzle and the sighs, we dance with the clouds, we waltz with the rain, finding love in each drop along the Seine. Streetlights, they flicker in gold and in blue. The night wraps its charm round the world and you. Coffee and whispers at the corner cafe, chasing dreams till the morning takes them away. And oh, how I wish this frame would freeze, caught in a film reel of Parisian ease. The rain may fall, but it doesn't ask why. It's Saint Germain's way of saying goodbye. Oh, under Saint Germain skies, through the drift